sink and float? Anaya, can you tell me? Ikra. Okay. Anaya, can you tell me what are the objects that will sink? What is the meaning of sink? What's the meaning of float? I will show you. Okay. There's water over here, right? This is a heavy object, right? What is this? It's a rock. This is a heavy object, like, and this is a lighter object, isn't it? So this is a heavy object. If I put it over here, what happened?
Sink.
Yes, it went in. So this is called as sinking. So the stone or the rock, it sunk, right? So this is the object that sinks. And what about the leaf? What happened?
Float.
Yes, very good. What happened?
Float.
Yeah, because it's a lighter object. Yes,
There
put it.
is a ball.
Yes, baby, put it there. Yeah. Did it sink?
Yeah.
Did it sink? No, the leaf. Did it sink?
No.
What's
Float.
happening? Yes,
Float.
it's floating. Yes, there's a shell over here. Isn't it? Yeah. Is it a heavy object or a lighter object? What do you think?
Heavy.
It's a heavy object. Okay. If I put it inside, will it sink or will it float?
Sink.
Sink. Sure? Sure? Everyone sure? Will it sink? Let me see. It sunk. Right? Yeah. What about, let's see, what about a key? Will it sink?
I want to put the key in.
You want to put the key in? Yes. Tell me, will it sink? Before putting it, tell me, will it sink or will it float? Will it float? Okay, fine, no problem. What about you, Musa? Do you think this key will sink or will it float? It will float. Okay, what about you? Tasmia, what do you think? This key, will it sink inside or will it float?
Float.
Everyone says it float. Fine, put it in. Let's see. What happened? What happened? Did you see? What happened? Tell me, is it floating